Hey, hello, hope you are well. This is a quick tutorial about Elementor footer section. You can see this is a website and the footer ER is not dynamic, it's manual editing part. It's showing 2024, that means it's not dynamic. So how to add a dynamic ER on copyright, so let me show you. So you just need to edit on with Elementor. So it's Elementor page or section. You can see I edited on Elementor, and you can see this is my text. I just copy the text here. So it's a text editor. So I need to do with dynamic text, and you can search for current date and time, this option you can see. So you need to just click here and custom here, and you just need to type capital Y. So here you can see the current year. So here you can just add some text, something like that. So you can see I just put my text here. Okay, I just copy the copyright symbol and just remove the other part. You can see. So there is no gap here. Okay, I just add some space. Okay, so I think it's pretty, yeah, I think it's pretty good now. So forward. So how am I? Okay, let me check. So okay, it's done here. So this is a way so you can show dynamic here on your footer copyright on free Elementor. So let me publish. So let me publish, and I want to export this template. Dynamic footer. So I just name this as dynamic footer. And I just export this. Okay, so the footer is export. Okay, so this is the quick video. I hope this video will helpful. So let me refresh and show you the final result. Okay, I think, yeah, I think all okay. Yeah, all looks perfect here. So this is the quick video. I hope this video will helpful. For any issues or any comment, please comment on below, or you can WhatsApp on my number. Have a nice day. Thank you.